Hello students, welcome again. In this session I am going to discuss about sixth main and seventh main of exercise 5.1, that is chapter number 5, lines and angles. In last session I discussed three mains. Here I am going to discuss sixth and seventh main. Very simple questions are there, just one word answers. First, before that, you need to understand the question itself. The question says, in the given figure, in this figure, angle 1 and angle 2. Where is angle 1 and angle 2? Always remember, angles are formed whenever two lines meet at one point or when one line crosses the other line. So here this is a one line and this is a line segment, or it is a ray. This is a line and this is a ray. Okay, or you can say two lines. These two lines meet at this point. Therefore, two angles are formed. Angle 1 and angle 2. This corner. In short, corners are the angles. Total two angles are formed. So in figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. In question only they are telling angle 1 and angle 2 are equal to, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. Means if you add angle 1 and angle 2, you will get to 180 degree. Therefore 180 degree is straight angle, no. Therefore it is a straight line. If sum is not equal to 180 degree, this line is never going to be straight. So it is in the question, it is given that angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. If here condition comes, if angle 1 is decreased, you can easily observe that angle 1 is a large compared to angle 2. Angle 1 is obtuse here and angle 2 is a acute. Always remember, in supplementary angles, one angle is obtuse, other one is acute, except in one case, that is if both angles are 90 degree, then no such cases are formed. But in remaining cases, one angle is obtuse, another one is acute. Here angle 1 is obtuse, it is more than 90, and angle 2 is acute, it is less than 90. So if angle 1 is decreased, angle 1 decrease madidra, what changes should take place in angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary? Okay. Angle 1 ನಾವು ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ angle 2 ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು so that both angle 1 angle 2 remains supplementary change ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, supplementary ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ angle 1 ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ angle 2 ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? You can observe here, angle 1 angle 2. If I decrease angle 1 like this, I am decreasing the angle 1. If I decrease the angle 1, what is happening to angle 2? Angle 2 is increasing now. Imagine this stick as this line. Angle 1 is large compared to angle 2, but still I want the sum to be remain same. Then sum of 180 degree. This sum change agbodu. So now I am if I go on decreasing the angle 1, what is happening to angle 2? Of course, if I decrease angle 1, angle 2 must increase, otherwise I will not get the sum 180 degree. So my answer is I will write the solution of this question here. What changes should take place in angle 2? Angle 2 must increase. So that remain supplementary. Okay. Just it's a, you have to visualize what is happening in the question. Angle 1 and decrease ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ angle 2 automatically angle 2 must increase so that both angles remain supplementary. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Okay, let me go for seventh question. What is seventh question? I will read the seventh question. Can two angles be supplementary? Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute, if both of them are obtuse, if both of them are right angle? Okay, condition. ಈ ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಅದಾವು, ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಎರಡೂ ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನಾ? ಎರಡೂ ಆಪ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ? ಎರಡೂ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವೀಗ ಫಸ್ಟು ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? First I am taking acute, then I will take obtuse, then I will take the right. What do you mean by acute? Acute angle vary from 1 degree to 89 degree. 1 degree ಇಂದ 89 degree ವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು acute ಅಂತೀವಿ. So smallest acute you take. Smallest acute is 1 degree. Okay, and largest acute is a 89 degree. Smallest acute is 1 degree and largest acute is a 89 degree. So many combinations you can make, no? 1 degree ke 89 degree complementary, second degree ke 88 degree, third degree ke 87 degree. Likewise we can make a complementary combinations, but what they are asking, supplementary. Supplementary means sum must be how much? Sum must be equal to 180 degree. Now you take a largest acute, that is 89 degree. Even if you take two largest, 89 degree plus 89 degree, 9, 9, 18, 9, 9, 18, 170 degree. It is not equal to 180. So it is a highly impossible to make the pair of supplementary angles. Supplementary angles ಅನ್ನು ಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ or largest acute angle. Even you can take 89.5 also. Even if you take 89.5, you will get a 179 here. You will not get exact 180. And you can't take 90 degree because 90 degree belongs to right angle. 90 degree belongs to right angle. So acute angle range is 1 degree to 89 degree. Even if you take largest acute angles, you will not get a 180 degree. Therefore, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute? Answer is no. Answer is therefore no. So ಎರಡು acute ಇದ್ರ supplementary angles ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Next come to obtuse. What is the range of obtuse? Obtuse range ಎಷ್ಟು? Obtuse ranges from 91 to 179. ನೈಂಟಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, 91 ಇಂದ 179 ವರೆಗೂ ಅಪ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್. ನಾವು ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ಎರಡೂ ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಟ್ಯೂಸೇ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್. ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 91. ಇವನ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್, I will get a 182 degree. Okay, largest ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರಂತೂ ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು. There is no point of talking here. Even if I take the smallest obtuse also, I will cross 180 degree. So it is not equal to 180 degree. Therefore, two angles cannot be obtuse. Two angles cannot be obtuse. Okay, two angles cannot be obtuse. To be a pair of supplementary angles. ಒಂದು ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಪೇರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಪ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೂ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್? ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 90 degree. Is it possible? 90 degree plus 90 degree, 180 degree. Therefore, yes. Okay. So, complementary angle ಒಳಗೆ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನ್, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್. ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರೋದು. ಇದನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಉಳ್ಕಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಒಂದು ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇ ಪೇರಪ್ಪನ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಟೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಪ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನ್. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎರಡು ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್, ಇದು ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್, ಇದು ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಉಳ್ಕಿದ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಪ್ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. I hope you understood both 6th and 7th question. See you again next May. Thank you and all. Have a nice day. Bye.